for you. Oh, I regret for.
Hey my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you this makeup look that you can see on my face right now. And I'm so happy, like, this makeup look turned so pretty, so beautiful. In this look I have used a blue color eyeliner that you can see that I'm wearing, and this has given a very good twist to this makeup look. So you can experiment with different type of color eyeliners, and you can give a pop of color to your eyes, and it will give such a beautiful look. Friends, particularly this makeup look is also very affordable and very pocket friendly. Nowadays nobody is stepping out of to parlor and all. Even I also personally, I don't feel safe to go to any parlor, so definitely you can experiment with such type of looks at home. And if there is any small function at your home, then definitely you can carry such type of looks. So friends, if you want to enjoy more such type of makeup tutorials, such type of videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and also hit the notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload such type of videos. And also please give it a like and share if you like this makeup look. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started and see how I have achieved this makeup look. So friends, first I will start with a little bit of skincare, and for that I will be using this toner. This is Alps Goodness Aloe Vera Toner, and I will spray this toner on my face and I let it dry and sink in into my skin. It's so hot and humid, so I don't want to apply any separate moisturizer. I just want to apply a gel. And I'll be applying this gel. This is Pond's Super Light Gel. This is oil free and it is really very good for oily skin. So if you have a oily skin, then you should definitely try this out. And particularly in these climatic conditions, it is very good, and you can see the consistency. This is a blue gel. So I'll be applying it on my face and I'll be blending it. And you can see I've got a pimple over here. It's so hot nowadays. So friends, next I'm going to apply this primer. This is Malio Photo Finish primer, and this is a really very good primer. You should definitely try it out. And this is also really very affordable. It comes under rupees 200. And this primer also instantly smoothens out skin and prepares a really smooth canvas for makeup. So and it also blurs out pores, so you can definitely try it out, and it is really very mattifying, good for oily skin. So friends, next I'm going to apply foundation. So today I'm going to use this Biotique Natural Makeup Magic Care All Day Foundation, and it has also SPF 15, which is a very good part, and it is really very affordable. This foundation provides sheer to medium coverage, and it really blends well with fingers. So I'm going to blend this with the help of my finger only. This is a perfect match for my skin tone, and this is in the shade C Cell. So if you're thinking of taking anything for daily use, then you can take this out, take this particular foundation. And the consistency is little bit like the Lakme CC cream. I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the set 03, and this has become my favorite concealer nowadays. It's such a good concealer. It has a very good coverage, and also it blends really well, and it doesn't creases. So you can definitely try this out. So I'm going to apply this around my dark circles, around my eyes, over here a little bit, because I have a little bit of pigmentation over here. Next I'm going to use this Biotique Magic Compact in the set C Cell to set my makeup really well, so that it will not budge and it will not crease. So I'm going to use my wet beauty blender to apply this on my face. So friends, in summer this is a hack. You should definitely use a wet beauty blender to set your makeup well, so that it will become more long lasting and you will not sweat much. Press like this onto your face. So next I'll be moving towards my face. For that I'm going to use this SFR color double deck eyeshadow palette, and this is also a very good makeup kit within rupees 200. So friends, I've already shared the review of this product on my channel, so if you want to buy, you can definitely check it out. It is such a good palette, and this is, as the name suggests, this is a double deck palette, you can see. So I'm going to use this particular shade over here, you can see this one, to contour my face. This is a contouring shade. So friends, contouring is a must if you are having a round face or if you are having a chubby face, then definitely contour, and it will actually give a proper structure dimension to face. So now I'm going to apply this blush on my face. This is Blue Heaven Cake Cruise Blush in the shade 04. And friends, you won't believe this is only for rupees 25. It is such an affordable blush, so cheap, but the quality is amazing. And you should definitely try this out. I have taken this from Cups and Lashes, and you can see the packaging. The packaging is not that fancy, but the product is really very good. So you can see the shade. This is a corally pink sort of shade. I'm going to use my blush brush. It is really very highly pigmented, so you need to be very careful while applying this. So you can see it's such a pretty shade. Wow, just love this shade so much. So a little bit I'm going to apply on the tip of my nose and my chin. It gives a natural look. So friends, next I'm going to do my eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I'm going to pick up this shade first as my transition shade. You can see. I'm taking this to my lower lash line as well. You can see like this. This particular palette is by Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Velvet Mousse Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 03, and you can see the shades. It is such a gorgeous and beautiful palette. So if you're thinking to take any eyeshadows for parties, weddings and etc., and for that you can definitely pick this particular eyeshadow palette. And it is very highly pigmented, and the eyeshadows are buttery smooth and all are metallic and shimmery shades, and they look so pretty on eyelids. So I'm going to pick that orange shade and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. So I'm not going to pick any brush for this because they give pigmentation really well with finger only. All the shimmery and satin shades, metallic shades, they really get picked up with finger. So you can see friends, that's it. I'm not going to use any other shade in this eye makeup look. So I'm going to blend the edges a little bit like this. So after this I'm going to apply a kajal, and for that I'm going to pick up this kajal. This is Blue Heaven kajal, soft kajal in the shade blue. I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. So friends, next I'm going to apply a liner, and this is by Blue Heaven, and this is a Blue Heaven eyeliner waterproof in the shade blue, and this is one of my new purchases. I have already shared with you recently. So you can see this is a bottle like this, very cute, and it is so affordable. It is only for rupees 55. So friends, if you want, you can go for falsies, but today I'm not going to apply any falsies. I'm going to apply this mascara. This is Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this gives literally falsies look. It is such a good mascara. It gives very good volume, as I've told you many times before. This has become my favorite nowadays. So I'm going to apply this on my eyelashes. For eyebrows, I'm going to use this product. This is Blue Heaven Wax Free Eyebrow Definer, and I'm in the shade brown. So I'm going to use this to fill my eyebrows. So this product is newly launched by Blue Heaven, and I have already reviewed this on my channel. So if you want to buy, you can definitely check it out. And I've checked, this is currently available in Flipkart. So I'm going to use this pulley that I have with me already, and I'm going to comb my eyebrows. Next I'm going to use this makeup setting spray by Wet n Wild, and this is the matte variant, and this is really a very good setting spray, and you should definitely try this out. And I'm going to spray this on my face. I'm going to apply this lipstick by Faces Canada. This is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick in the shade that is Natural Earth 15. This makeup look turned out so pretty, so beautiful, and it is so simple also. It is not at all very hard to achieve or very difficult to achieve. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family really well. Stay safe, stay healthy. So bye, take care, and love you all.